Well, I'm just going to go back to Gonzalez for a minute. When did she actually get picked up? I wonder.
Thursday.
This is to quash a warrant, right? That's a correct. And that is what Miss Gonzalez is asking, right?
Well, she just got put on the calendar for that purpose.
It's been served. So
It's been served.
like I said, so Miss Gonzalez is asking that the warrant be quashed or should be TR.
Right.
Okay. I just want to make sure I understand what we're being asked here.
Well, and I want to make sure I don't say.
Settling the city's position.
I think the city's position is likely.
Warrants been served, issues, conditions of release. If she has, that's how.
I think the city's position is probably the court's position, but I want to see if we can get hold of Ms. Gonzalez. I mean, in the same room.
Just her office number and all of those things.
All right. So we got to put Ms. Gonzalez on next week. Ms. Gonzalez, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not sure if your attorney has been notified or not. I know you left a message. Well, Mr. Fleck, right now, how many times have we issued warrants on this? 3 times?
Quite a lot ago.
Yeah.
I don't have my file here, but I feel while we also tried not to issue warrants thinking, well, she's just around the corner. She'll be here next week or 2 weeks and we just sent her a note. And I think whatever the warrant amount is.
1, 2, 3, 4 warrants in 2024 then this is number 5. So Ms. Gonzalez, we're not going to change the bail right now, but we are going to put you back on the calendar for next week. A week from today is the 10th. You think you're going to be able to?
Yeah. A moment. Anytime I've been in court and gotten any dates, I've always been there. They don't show up at our house for whatever reason. Anyone that's ever been sent to the house, I've not received. But I've always been there. I just got a new phone this last week, which I don't even know the number on it. I was supposed to send it to my lawyer on Friday.
Well, I think you misunderstood the way I said it. We don't send warrants over the house. I'm saying that you're about 2 or 3 blocks away from court, and I can't seem to get you here. So we're going to keep the warrant amount where it is right now, and we're going to put you back on for next week and let Ms. St. Marie know that you're in custody and you're on court for next week at 1:30. And I'll go back to my first question. Do you think you're going to be able to post that bail?
I cannot post that bail, and right now the main reason is. The old guy that I take care of, he's already been home the last 4 days alone, and I've tried to get people to check on him, but I don't know if anyone has even managed to. But he has the first bail right now, but this last week his card got compromised. He thought he would try some online casino thing, and he did Bitcoin. He canceled his card, and we have no access to his account.
Your Honor, I think I have reason to suspect that someone has been in contact with the gentleman she's concerned about. I think that Miss Gonzalez, there was that gentleman posted $1,000 bail that got forfeited last week because she was not here. That was after an attempt to, when she was supposed to be here on the 30th of December, she didn't show. I think we bounced that around a few times because we didn't want to, and then his bail got forfeited on the 24th, which would have been last Monday, if I'm right.
Right.
And so I think that we can just keep her on next week and we can talk about why the bail isn't what I think it should be next week.
You think it should be higher?
I jeopardized the place I live too because I work off my rent.
No, I understand, Ms. Gonzalez, but for some reason I'm unable to get you to court on time.
Well, the last time my court, there was a power outage and they rescheduled, but I didn't know that they rescheduled. It was canceled my last court date due to the power outage.
No. Well, we're not going to change the bail today. We're going to see you next week at 1:30. If you can post the bail, you need to be here in person. You don't have any Zoom privileges. You just have to get over here.
Could you look for the bail or something? Because I could lose the place I live if I can't get out to take care of him.
Well, I honestly, that is not my responsibility. My responsibility is to get you to court on time, and that has proven to be trying to part the Red Sea. We'll see you next week. We'll try to see you next week at 1:30 in custody or out. You got to be here in person.
Most of it.
See you next week.
mailed it to the
All
wrong
right.
house though, and that was
Oh,
proven.
no. You've lived it all the way since I've been here and I can't get to the court.
But they've
You want
been
to keep
sending it
arguing
to
with me?
Robinhood
You
Loop.
want to keep arguing with me or do you want to be here next week at 1:30? That's an yes or no question. You'll be here next week at 1:30. No more arguing. Please. I can't take it. See you next week.